All right, welcome into a Monday, you trader nerds. Rah! I had a lot of interesting stuff over the weekend. We got a Masters winner who was got a pregnant wife and was going to leave it all for that. And then we got what else happened over the weekend? I don't know, all kinds of good stuff. We got Alabama, their A-Day, and everybody wondered why the turf looked so bad, but our coach and players look really good. So everything went good there. And then, well, wait a minute. Papa Joe, President Biden told Iran when it come to attacking Israel, he gave them the big finger and said, don't. And I'll be danged, it wasn't a day later they did. Isn't that crazy? So now we'll see how Israel retaliates. And initially, the market did not have anything to do. But y'all remember, I told you the crash is coming. It's just not coming today, but it is coming. We're going to have a major correction pretty, before sooner rather than later. I'll say that. So we are down 1.32% today. Oh, behave. The AD is at the low of the day, which indicates that we probably got more lows to go today. But we've got elevated volume. People are getting scared. But look at the big green monster, baby. Big green monster showed a little bit of support here. Now we've broken that support and we are into the oversold territory. So if we stay here a day or two, we would expect to pop back up. But ladies and gentlemen, if we go into this 5063, 5011 zone, we will be overbought for the fair value zone below. So caution, caution, danger, danger, Will Robinson. Y'all be really careful. Now, remember, we went on the linear regression chart and we drew some things. We said, hey, we've consolidated, right? Then we said, actually, in the period of consolidation, into the area of consolidation, we have now made a down little thing here. Look at this. And we said, oh, behave, oh, be still. We see much more downward action potentially coming, ladies and gentlemen. So be careful. Just be careful. So we're going to do the little account today. We are at 6837 in that account. So we don't have a lot of money. It's a small account, 6837. So we are down a little bit from the last time that we did this one. So today is tax day. Make sure you pay your taxes, do all that. So we're down just a little bit from the other day. So here we are. Remember, this is the account I had to pay my lawyers to do our fund thing. So it's been very expensive to do that. So we're at 6837. But I think that we are at a point where I definitely need a little trade on. Let's look at our creeks and ratios today. So in this one, we are at 14.7. 14.7. So that means we got 14 deltas. We've got 7 in theta. And the VIX has popped its way up to 19. How about that? So my theta is a really good number. I like it at 0.10. We're a little red here, and it says that we've got a little bit too many deltas, but it's a small account. How are you going to help that? It says we need -4 deltas to get that thing in line. And our buying power usage is 1,018, baby. How's that look? 1,018. Not bad, 14%. So we can absorb a trade today. So let's put us on a little trade. See how we go. So we'll go here. Trade. Hey, kids, turn the game down, baby. I can't hear my thing. I can't hear my class. So we'll go to 123 days. And we'll sell a 10 delta. Now, look, y'all, we sold a 10 delta. Oh, gosh, it's a 16 delta. Is anybody panicking or anything? No, we're not panicking. We're not over hedging. We're just keeping it small, baby. So we're going to sell this for 34.25 to 43.50. Try to get 34.50 out of it. See if we can do that. 43.50 for 34.50. 43.50, 34.50. 43.50, 43.50 for 34.50. I think that's right. Hard to keep up with all these numbers. So this is good, y'all. I hope we get a mini little crash because it's been a while since last March since we've had to deal with it. And we hadn't had to, keep up with any metrics or roll anything. So this will be good for us. So we'll call this naked put one, put naked, 123 days, and control my colon. There we go. So there we are. So now we got to do a put debit spread. Now, some of you are getting nervous and you're like, oh no, Bobby. And this is a good thing. Not everybody can trade our strategy, y'all. This is what's wonderful about our strategy. I think it should have been 3. I could put 3. Not everybody can do this. We are professionals. Don't try this at home. So 123, 415, control my colon. And this is going to be puts. So let's try to put this in. So 25 delta or so. So why don't we sell or buy the 4,900 and do the 4,850 for $10? I wish it was less than that. Let's pay less. Let's go down a little bit. Let's do the 4,850. There we go. We want to pay less than 10 if we can. God, this thing keeps on moving. Look at this. 920. So the 4,850, 4,800 for, let's see if we get filled here. Should. We got filled for 915. 4,850 for 9,815. 4,850. 50. 4,800 for 915. Now, let me tell you, if y'all are just sitting on pins and needles and going, oh God, what are we going to do? Here's what I want you to do. I want you to start looking at your naked puts and figuring out what the deltas are. All right. So what's this? Let's look at our oldest position. Here's our oldest position. Go down and find your naked puts. Go all the way down and say, what's naked here? Okay, so here's my naked put. And it started off as a 10 delta. Unfortunately, it is an 18 delta. So y'all, I still have an 82% probability that this is going to expire out of the money. Even though we've had a couple of down days, it hadn't mattered anything. If this put becomes a 30 delta, and that would take quite a bit of ways away. We are, 225 points from that happening? If this becomes a 30 delta, we're just going to roll him out in time. There's nothing to it. So don't be worried about it. We have a plan. And let's go to that plan. We have the Sweet Bobby trading plan. You can buy this plan, this complete plan, in the comments below. I've got a link for you to get this for like $19. It has everything you need to know about the trading. And so if any of our Greeks or trade metrics are messed up, we close profitable positions, we roll losing positions, we can sell calls, we can sell futures, we can buy cheap protected puts, we can close losing positions, or we can close the short put and put debit spread. And then we've got a chart that tells you what everything does. So ladies and gentlemen, what I'm trying to tell you is we have a plan, and don't be going off plan, because a lot of people are going to say, oh God, I'm going to get out of it. Why? Everything's fine, y'all. Y'all just chill out. All right. It's not even as bad as it was last March. So y'all hang through there. Everybody doing good. I hope so. All right. I will see y'all tomorrow. Y'all be good.